Imagine you ask ChatGPT 4.0 or Quen to make a decision using logic, like a fair calculator. But instead, it starts using human shortcuts like social proof, loss aversion, and other classic decision traps. Why would a model trained on language patterns do that? Here's the key idea from this paper. It shows how biases can be generated even when the training data humans are not biased, and even when we clearly label those biases as biased. So the model isn't learning the bias from biased people alone. It's learning a different skill, mimicry. Mimicry without understanding. First mechanism, faulty mimicry of preferences based on behavior. The model looks at what humans do, and it incorrectly guesses what humans want. Like watching someone reach for an umbrella and assuming they're secretly afraid of rain, not realizing they just hate being wet. The behavior and preference can be logically unrelated, but the model still connects the dots. Second mechanism, mimicry of explicitly biased human behaviors. Even when researchers describe bias in plain words, the model can treat the described pattern like a rule of thumb. In 4 studies on economic decisions, they found social proof biases showing up, even when the prompts included reports that clearly shouldn't reveal real preferences. Then comes the most viral part. Loss aversion predicted the model's own bias. The researchers fed it detailed scientific reports about loss aversion, and the more biased the report was, the more the model became biased later. So scientific papers can become self-fulfilling prophecies, at least for what the LLM outputs. So next time you read a study about how people behave, ask yourself, are we studying humans, or are we training machines to imitate the story? If you want more insights like this, subscribe and comment. What bias do you think your AI shows most, and why?